the sun. The wolf still howls beneath the moon. The heart still beats its ancient tune. Through storm and fire, through death and bloom, the season